Hi, my name is Harik, and I'm from the Diploma in Applied Drama and Psychology.
Hi, my name is Nav, and I'm a Year 2 student from Diploma in Architecture.
Yen, I'm from Diploma in Information Technology.
Hi, my name is Abi. I'm from DEPM Year 2.
My name is Joel, and I'm Year 2 in Diploma in Interior Design. Fun fact about me is that I love Crayon Shinchon.
What was your first impression of SP?
When I first stepped in SP, I couldn't really find the way to go to my school, to the auditorium, to the toilet as well. So it was like very, very big.
I think SP is very vibrant. There are a lot of different people from different backgrounds. And there are different people doing different things. In some modules, you even get to interact with other students from other courses, and there is a sense of bondedness where you overcome your own so-called causes.
Walking to Dover to ABE in 5 minutes. In SP, once I came in here, very comfortable with the school and very comfortable with the people and the CCA, I was able to step out of my comfort zone and perform a dance performance after choreographing it together with my friends. So I think that was one of my biggest achievements yet.
First day of school. At first it was awkward, but after orientation, after getting to know everyone, after all the icebreakers, it was fun. My seniors coincidentally were in the same class as me when they were in year 1, and how we bonded was basically by them telling us about how our lecturers were like.
When we settled down into our first classroom, it's kind of interesting to see where we'll be studying at for the next few months. It was just pretty fun experience, although it was quite simple, but then there was just a lot of talkings between friends and joking around with the seniors about how our future lessons will be like. That makes it a lot easier to ease into.
So I think my first lab lesson was for my audiovisual system module. We were able to play around with the lights, so we saw the lights moving and the different colors and the patterns that it can make. And then for the sound, we were able to test the microphone, and we were able to do things like increase the pitch or create some funny sounds. And then we asked our friends to speak in the mic, and then we all just laughed. So I think that was my first experience.